made it here on Carnival Valor. We are in the theater room right now. Cash is over there on the stage. What's up, Cash? Cash sure has the moves. Hit that like button if you want to see more dancing. At the beginning of every cruise, while we wait for the boat to take off and our rooms to get ready, we like to just wander around the ship and see where everything's at. The deck's where the party's at. There's always a lot going on around there. There's a burger bar, a burrito bar, multiple swimming pools, a water slide, and a movie screen, all just in this one area. This was my 4th cruise, Kayla's 3rd cruise, and the boys' first cruise ever. So far we've only cruised with Carnival Cruise Lines. I always say if it's not broke, why fix it? I'd like to try other cruise lines, but Carnival's always been so much fun and great for the whole family. Some people thought we were crazy for bringing a 6-year-old and a 1-year-old on a cruise with us, but we actually had an awesome time. Now here at the top of Carnival Valor, checking it out. Too cold for Kayla right now here in Galveston. It's like upper 70s, but it's a little windy and a little drizzly. But Cash wanted to see the top, so here it is. This very top part is a great place to watch the sunset or the sunrise and kind of just see what all is going on the boat. Alright, we'll find a bathroom. Since this was our first time cruising with the boys, we wanted to see what Camp Ocean had to offer. They had many activities for all ages of kids. They had a cool video game center, a little area to watch movies, plenty of room for activities, and a selection of arts and crafts they can make. We spent the majority of the cruise all together, but there was a few times where Cash really wanted to go play with the other kids and hang out in Camp Ocean. There are many forms of entertainment going on all times on the ship, between musicians, comedians, singers, shows, and competitions. There's always something fun for you to do, no matter what you're into. But our boys' favorite part of the cruise was swimming and going down that slide. It was hard to keep Cash out of the pool. As we hung out in the pool and on the slide, Kayla was up top getting her sun tanning on.
Woo! Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Yay! We're swimming! Yay! Certain times of the day they do competitions right out by the pool. They had a drink making contest and a hairy chest contest, and many more.
That is not wasting any time. Oh yeah. Come on back over. Give her a round of applause, everybody. Great job, Adam. Give it up for Jody from Batavia, Ohio. Give it up for Jody. Come on, Jody. Come on over here. Ohio in the house.
They also showed a movie every night on the screen, which was a fun way to sit back and watch a movie, rather in the pool or on the lawn chairs, and they also had popcorn. On our cruise we got to watch Coco. Cash probably went down this slide close to 100 times. I even had to go down myself a few times. We're getting ready to go down the slide here on the Carnival Valor. We'd love to answer any questions, and we're actually going to make a few question and answer videos about cruising and cruising with kids. If you'd like to be included in that video, please leave us a question down below and let us know your website and YouTube channel, and you might be featured in our next question and answer video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can stay tuned for more upcoming cruise videos where we show you great excursions for Cozumel, Mexico, and for Progreso, Mexico, along with more tips and tricks to help you cruise better. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next trip.